Okay, so we're going to start looking at another type of pattern now, and these are called linear patterns. So we'll start with the definition of what a linear pattern is, and then we'll look at some examples of it. So a linear pattern must be a list of numbers. So a linear pattern is a sequence. So here's another word. Sequence and pattern mean the same thing. Is a sequence of numbers where the difference between the numbers is constant. Now we've seen that word before. Constant means it's the same every time. Let's look at an example of something that would be a linear pattern. So for example, 2, 4, 6, 8. What's happening here in this pattern? To go from 2 to 4, I add 2. To go from 4 to 6, I add 2. To go from 6 to 8, I add 2. So the difference between the numbers is the same every time. The difference is the same. But if I look at something like this, 2, 3, 8, let's see, 11, 15. I mean, maybe there's a pattern here, but if I look at the difference between them, here I added 1, then I added 5, then I added 3, then I added 4. I mean, maybe there's a pattern here that we haven't figured out yet, but definitely it's not linear because the difference is not constant. Not constant. Okay, so this one is linear. Linear meaning it will make a straight line when we draw a graph of it. And this one is not linear. When we talk about linear patterns, so just a moment, I'm going to have to pause this video and come back.